Hey, to connect CMF Buds with two devices at the same time, first of all, you will have to connect them with your first device. You will have to download the Nothing X application, and when you are connected with your first device, you will have to click on the settings icon in the right upper corner, select the dual connection, now tap on the switcher, and as you can see right now we have to turn on and off the to turn on the dual connection we have to actually reboot our earbuds. So click on the reboot. Now it will actually takes around few moments, so you are not going to waste your time. Just wait for this rebooting. And now as you can see, we can go into the boot settings on our second device, go into the connected devices, select pair new device, and you will have to actually wait for the buds. If they doesn't appear, you will have to input both them inside the case, open the case, then click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode, and wait until this indicator starts blinking white. Now you will have to release. Then when you get CMF Buds, click on them once, accept pairing request, and take a look. Right now we are connected with the two devices right now. So I'm connected with the Pixel 7 Pro and with the Pixel 8a. Now if I want to disconnect from one of this phone, for example from the Pixel 7 Pro, I will have to click on this icon and then tap disconnect and take a look. There we go. So this is it for this video. Right now please subscribe.